These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites, University Town Center, Sarasota, Florida. Here we are at 4. So I filmed these elevators in 2016 as well. And now, more than 2 years later, in 2019, we're back here again. To be more specific, about 2 years and 2 months later. Here is your cab view. My shoes might be making a little bit of a noise, by the way. Anyway, here are your fixtures. Series 5, just as I mentioned. Here's a certificate. Someone might be getting on. No? Okay. Now, we're going to call the other one. So again, these are pretty basic elevators, but they work nicely. Ooh, you can see the rear door. Can you see out of it? No, you can't see anything out of it. I know you can kind of see the floors passing on this side. Let's go to 4. It's kind of shaking. Again, here we are at 4. Let's go to 1. Does 1R work? No. Lights up there. It says restricted floor. Anyway, here's your inspection certificate. Here is your cab view. It's got 2 different Hampton door seals. So anyway, here's your cab view, and you can really, or just a minute. Before we end the video, I'm just going to go up to, I'm not going to go all the way up, I'm going to go at 2, I think. And we're going to look. You can't really see a floor passing. And I kind of, you probably can on video. You can only see a little bit. But when I was here about 2 years ago, technically 3 years ago, because it was in 2016. Yeah. Oh, while we're here on 2. Intermediate lantern and call station. And you can kind of see something. I think that's just a wall, but I don't know. I was just wondering. But anyway, we're gonna go down to 1. And that'll be it. I think that's the machine room, but I don't know. So, that's it.